Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show how to enable IIS service, which is Internet Information Service on Windows Server 2022. Once the IIS service is enabled, the Windows Server is converted into web server and it shows a default web page when opened in the browser. So in the lab, first I'll enable the IIS service and then create a sample custom web page and replace it with the default page. So let's start. I'm logged into Windows 2022 server. Let's quickly check local server settings. This is the name of the computer and it's a Windows 2022 data center evaluation server. So now to install IIS, let's go to dashboard, add roles and features. Next. Next. This is the name of the server. Next. And there is an option with the name web server IIS. Click here and it will ask you to install the management console also. Yes, add features. Next. 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 And install. Right now it's installing the IIS as well as its management tools. So IIS is installed now. Let's close this. And you can see in the roles and server groups, you can see the IIS here and here too. So IIS is running online. So if we'll go to the tools, there is an option of IIS manager. Click here. And from here you can manage all the IIS settings. But before this, let's open the Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. And let's run localhost. And it should show the default IIS page. And it's showing the default IIS page now. Now I'll quickly show how to create a custom sample page. So open IIS manager and click on the name of the server. Expand this. In the sites, there is an option of default website. Right click on the default website and click on explore. This will show the location where you will save your HTML page. So let's open Notepad. This is sample web page. Let's save it. And before saving, let's save the location, which is C inet pub www root. Save as. Let's save it as web.html. All files. And perfect, we are in that location. But anyways, let's save web.html. Save. Now web.html in the location where the HTML file should be saved or the index page should be saved. But if we'll still go to the browser and write localhost, we see the default page. And the reason is because we haven't added web.html into our default pages. Click on the IIS server, double click on the default document, and there are different options like default.htm, index.html, htm, default.asp, and the last option is IIS start.html, which is the default page. If I'll have any of these pages, this will show. But let's add another one, which is web.html. Save. And now its priority is on the top. So let's check again. Refresh the page, and this is a sample web page. Perfect. And in case sometimes you have multiple web pages which are installed and you want to change the priority, so you can change from here up or down, and based on that, whichever will have the highest priority, that web page will be shown. And that's all I wanted to show in this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.